We're back at the pond, trying to get some topwater bites going. Let's try my popper. Got him. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Somebody, don't get me hooked. That's what I think I'm afraid of. Alright. Let's get you unhooked now. There you go. First bass of the day. Let's see how much it weighs. I give it a good 1.8 pounds. I say it's 1.8 pounds. Let's see. 2.1 pounds. Two-pounder. Check it out. Yeah, nice one. Thanks for biting, buddy. Oh shit, I'm on. I'm on. I didn't even realize I was on. Oh shit. Come on, buddy. I think I need to tighten up my drag. Come on, buddy. We're gonna drag him through all of this. Come on, buddy. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Oh yeah, buddy. Still on? Yep, still on. There it is. There it is. Second popper fish of the day. Not trying to get hooked. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. There it is, second fish of the day. Check it out, y'all. Oh, he has a good sized head. He's short, but he has a big head. Thanks for playing, buddy. I don't think I've ever had this much fun before with topwater. I love this popper. I'm gonna start doing poppers more often. Oh shit, that was a nice one. Come on, buddy. Oh, I think it's stuck on some grass. All right, we'll just pull him out. We'll just drag him out of there. Yeah. Come on out of there, buddy. 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 Am I still on? Yeah, I'm still on. Oh yeah. Third bass of the day with the popper. There it is. Small one with a whole bunch of grass. Oh, sorry, bud. Got you bleeding. Damn. gonna let them back in the water soon, but third one. Check it out, y'all. Ow, ow. Damn. You got sharp little teeth, buddy. Thanks for biting, buddy. Got 3 bass so far on this popper. Let's see if we could do 4. This is my first time I actually ever catch fish with the popper. You know what? I might start throwing this popper more often. I feel more confident now that I'm catching a lot of bass. I think that's all it is. You just gotta get confident with the baits you use. And you start catching them. It's right down there. I haven't thrown it down there yet. Oh, there we go. There we go. 4th one of the day. Oh, this one feels like a good one too. Swimming at me. Swimming at me. Come on. Come on. Get on over the branch and into the bank. Oh yeah. There we go. Dang, relax, buddy. Relax. Oh shit. Again. Alright. There we go. 4th bass of the day. The popper works perfectly. Alright, let's get you back in the water. Here. There you go, buddy. I retied. Gotta make sure that I don't lose my lure. This is monofilament and it got all this dead grass that I'm pulling it through. Four bass so far on the popper. I've never caught that many bass on top water in one sitting before. This might be my new favorite lure. I ain't gonna lie. But it just doesn't feel the same as when I fish a frog though. There's something about the frog bites that are, you know, it's a little different. I guess because when I'm walking the bait with the frog and I can see that giant topwater bite, it's like you work for it more, I guess. It feels more rewarding. But this ain't bad either. I like the popper. The striking splash has pretty good popping sounds. It bloops pretty nicely. Nothing. Oh shit. Dodged it. Well, that's a new spot. I haven't cast it down there yet. So maybe, hopefully there's a bass down there willing to hit this. I'm gonna work it slow, right in the middle. Bloop. 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 Oh, I saw a bass down there. Jumped way down there. Oh, I should fish that side down there. You know what? After this, I'm gonna go fish that side. So you could catch some bass on that side. I feel like I've been fishing this side already for like 30 minutes, 40 minutes. Let's go fish the other side. We made it to the back side. See if we can get any bass from this side. Go. Oh yeah. All for the bass. Oh, to catch a bass, huh? This is a good size too. Thanks for playing, buddy. Damn, I got muddy. Gotta risk it.